Hi there, this is Naomi C speaking. In this video, I'll share with you at least 5 powerful sample answers that you can use if you are asked by your interviewer, do you have any BPO experience? If the truth is, you don't have any. So with the help of these sample answers, it will make you sound confident, prepared, and hireable at the same time. So if you're a fresh graduate, a senior high school graduate, an undergraduate, a career shifter, or someone who's trying BPO for the first time, this video is dedicated for you and I want you to stick around and watch the video until the end kasi I'm pretty sure na isa, dalawa, or tatlo sa mga sample answers na to ay makatutulong sa'yo para maland mo yung job na yan at syempre para hindi maging awkward yung encounter mo with your interviewer. Again, these are sample answers ha, you can tweak it if you like. Alright, let's start with sample answer number 1. I've done my research about the role of a call center agent, the metrics, the common challenges, and what clients expect. I know it takes patience, active listening, and the ability to handle pressure. These are traits I practiced during school projects, customer service roles, and even personal experiences. I'm ready to apply those skills in a professional setting. Okay, this is a good answer that you can use. Pero kung hindi pasado sa itong number 1, we can proceed with sample answer number 2. I've always been interested in how customer service works behind the scenes, especially in call centers. What I lack in experience, I make up for in dedication. I'm highly trainable, open to feedback, and committed to doing my best. I'm confident that I can deliver great customer service once given the proper tools and training. O diba, pak na pak tong answer na to. Paiklian nyo na lang kung medyo mahaba. Now, sample answer number 3. One of my strengths is my ability to communicate clearly and confidently in English. I've been part of English speaking contests, acted as the spokesperson in school debates, and even helped classmates with presentations. These experiences improved my confidence and verbal skills, which I believe are very important in BPO roles. So if you are someone who loves the English language, then this is a great answer that you can use. Okay, sample answer number 4. I know that working in a BPO means handling back-to-back calls, following processes, and keeping customers satisfied while hitting metrics like AHT and QA. I may be a beginner, but I'm mentally prepared and eager to meet those expectations. I'm also good at multitasking and following instructions. 2 things I know are crucial in this role. O diba, napaka-perfect ng mga sagutan natin dito. So, yun. At least you have an idea, no, kung ano yung gagawin. Now, sample answer number 5. I used to help out in our family's small business. I was in charge of answering customer questions and handling product complaints. That experience taught me how to handle different types of people, listen attentively, and quick find solutions. I believe these are transferable skills that will help me perform well in the BPO industry. So you can use this if you're someone who has a family business, whether it's online or yung in person. Kami, we have a small online shop and sometimes I am the one in charge sa pag-answer ng customer questions and product complaints. So I can use the sample. Pero if you don't, then use the other 4. By the way, if you're a call center agent or someone who's working from home, I highly recommend that you use Jabra Evolve 20 MS USB-A. This has a passive noise cancelling feature, which is a great tool when you are in a noisy environment. I personally live in a neighborhood wherein may ingay yung kapitbahay, may ingay yung aso ko, may tindahan, Like, may ginagawang kalsada right now, so sobrang ingay talaga sa labas. Yet, my customers or clients couldn't hear it. Ako lang nakakarinig ng mga yon. And, syempre, ayaw natin na naririnig ng client natin na yung mga ingay dito sa neighborhood natin. Kasi iisipin nila, nasaan ka ba? Parang, bababa yung tingin nila sa atin kapag ganon, 'di ba? So, yun, kung gusto mo ng ganitong klase ng headset dahil sure na sure akong magagamit mo to, then make sure to check it out in my video description.